Let's take a look at some key updates for the 2022 Lexus ES in 60 seconds. On your mark, get set, go! Iridium Silver and Cloudburst Gray are our new exterior colors. The standard bi-LED headlights have been updated, and there's a new optional premium triple beam headlamp, a more compact motor operating the power trunk lid, the redesign of this dash, bringing the entire display closer to the driver, and touchscreen operation. Blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert are now standard equipment. You have buttons on the left side of the steering wheel moved up for easier access. Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0 has been upgraded to Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5. You now have intersection turn assist, emergency steering assist, and all-speed dynamic radar cruise control with curb speed reduction. Additional USB-C ports under the armrest, and 2 more USB-C ports for the rear cabin passengers. For more information about all the buttons, bells, and whistles, make sure to check out our deep dive full tutorial. Thanks again for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.